Students, next we can study about boric acid. The formula is H3BO3. This is the structure boric acid. So the formula is two form of formula boric acid H3BO3 or BOH thrice. Next preparation of boric acid. We can prepare the boric acid from two compounds. One is borax, another one is colemanite. First we can prepare from borax. The formula is Na2B4O7. Borax reacts with water plus sulfuric acid to form sodium sulfate and boric acid. This is the first preparation from borax. Then colemanite Ca2B6O11. Colemanite reacts with sulfuric acid plus sulfur dioxide to form calcium bisulfate plus boric acid. This is the two preparation of boric acid. Then properties already we know that physical and chemical properties. First, physical properties, it is a colorless, crystalline, transparent, and it is a very weak monobasic acid. And another one is it accepts hydroxyl ion rather than the donating a proton. Then boric acid reacts with water. The reaction is formation of monobasic acid H3O plus boron hydroxyl tetrahydroxyl boric acid. It accepts hydroxyl ion OH 4 times. So this is the reversible reaction or equilibrium. So it reacts with sodium hydroxide to form another reaction. It reacts with sodium hydroxide to formation of two products. One is sodium metaborate, another one is sodium tetraborate. So first boric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide to form sodium borate NaOH plus H3BO3. NaOH sodium hydroxide plus H3BO3. Boric acid to form NaBO2 sodium metaborate. That is the formula NaBO2 sodium metaborate plus water. Then sodium hydroxide reacts with boric acid to form borax or sodium tetraborate. Na2B4O7 is the sodium tetraborate plus water molecules. Then another property, action of heat. So there are two temperature. We can heat the boric acid to form different products. Boric acid reacts with first heated at 373 Kelvin to give metaboric acid, and another temperature 413 Kelvin to give tetraboric acid. So then again when heated at a red hot condition to give the boric anhydride, which is a glassy mass. So first see the reaction. Boric acid H3BO3 at 373 Kelvin metaboric acid HBO2, that is called as metaboric acid. Again metaboric acid at 413 Kelvin to form boric anhydride H2B4O7, that is called as boric anhydride. Then it red hot condition, again we can heat boric oxide H2B4O7 boric anhydride. In the red hot condition we can get B2O3 boric acid. Then action of heat, now we studied. Then action of ammonia. So boric acid reacts with ammonia in the fusion of urea at 800 to 1200 Kelvin to give the boron nitride. So boric acid formula BOH3, another form, reacts with ammonia NH3 to form BN. BN is the boron nitride. Then boric acid reacts with ethyl alcohol. Another property, H3BO3 boric acid reacts with ethyl alcohol formula C2H5OH in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to form trialkyl borate BOC2H5 thrice, that is called as boron trialkyl borate, that is the formula BOC2H5, trialkyl borate. Then formation of boron trifluoride, another property. Boric acid reacts with calcium fluoride in the presence of sulfuric acid, reacts with boric acid to form boron trifluoride. So see the reaction, calcium fluoride CaF2 plus in the presence of sulfuric acid formula H2SO4, then reacts with boric acid BOH thrice boric acid to form calcium sulfate CaSO4 plus BF3, that is called as boron trifluoride. This is the formation of boron trifluoride to release the water molecules. Then borax heated with soda ash. Soda ash means Na2CO3. Another name is washing soda, Na2CO3. So boric acid reacts with soda ash to form borax, Na2B4O7, that is called as borax formula, plus release the carbon dioxide and water molecules. Then this is the chain structure of boric acid. Then this is the uses of boric acid. First one is it is used in the manufacture of pottery glasses, that means ceramic vessels. That is pottery is the process to formation of vessels like clay, ceramic, like that vessels to form. So enamels and pigments also to manufacture. Then second is used as an antiseptic and an eye lotions, and third uses also used as a food preservative. For example, raw rice. To preserve the raw rice, see the example picture, preservation of raw rice and antiseptic. Then to kill the cockroach, then carom board powder we can use. Then this is the uses, eye lotions, antiseptic to kill the cockroach, then for yeast infection, then cloth to remove the stain and bad odor from the clothes. This is the uses. Thank you, students.